Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everybody, my name is Ilham and welcome to Ammar Ilham channel. Today I'm gonna challenge myself how to work with Excel without mouse. When we open the workbook like this, the windows, we can easily explore the windows by using the Windows Explorer or pressing Windows on the keyboard and then press R. And you'll find the Find menu here, run the application. You can type the folder you want to open. For example, here I'm using the drive E for the file. I'm saving the file. So I press the E and then double dot here and then just press enter here. Then I'm work here in the drive E, and if I want to open here, I can easily choose the folder I want to open by entering the folder latihan Excel here, and I can search the file in here. If I find difficulty how to find the file I want to open, I can search the file by Control Find or pressing the Control F. Here, I'm gonna open 30 Excel formulas for PPIC. So this is the Indonesia 30 rumus wajib. This is the file I want to open and just press enter. Here we have the three data here, and I'm on the left tab here. How to move to the right tab? I easily by pressing the tab, and I move to the right tab here, and I can choose the file here. I want to open this the file I want to open, the Excel file on the top here. Just press enter, and now I'm opening the file 30 Excel formulas for PPIC. So we have the four sheets here, as you see, sheet 1, Umum, PPC, and IC. How to alternate the sheet? I can easily alternate the sheet by pressing the Control Tag Up and Control Tag Down. I'm pressing Control Tag Up here, I move to the left sheet, and I pressing the Control Tag Down, I move to the right sheet here. Right sheet and the left sheet I can choose by pressing Control Tag Up and Control Tag Down. Now I want to open the new sheet. No new sheet. I'm easily by pressing Shift and F11. Shift and F11. Now this is the sheet I want to rename the sheet. I can easily rename the sheet by pressing Alt, H, or and R. I can rename the sheet. This is as a new sheet. New sheet. And then I can back to the Excel file page by pressing the tab, and now I'm back to here again. Now I want to delete the sheet because I don't need this sheet anymore, and I can easily delete the sheet I already made by pressing Alt, E, and then L. Alt, E, and L. I'm already delete the sheet I already made. Now I want to open the new Excel file. I can open the new Excel file by pressing Ctrl N. This is the new file, book 2. Now I want to name the Excel file here, the book 2. I can easily by pressing the Ctrl and S. I want to save the file, and then choose the Save As here. Just press enter and then choose the browse here, and then Save As. Choose the folder I want to save. I want to save in the new volume E in latihan Excel folder. I can easily change by pressing tab, tab, and tab until I can choose the here. Now I can choose the folder I want to save is on the drive E, and then on Latihan Excel. Then in here I want to save in here. Now I want to rename the give the file name. Just pressing the tab again, and then I can name the file Excel file here. Excel formula new how to work with Excel without mouse. If okay, just press the tab here and the tab again and tab again and tab again and tab again. Tab until save here. Now tool is saved. Now I can, if you see this is on the save button in here, you just easily by press enter, and then your file successfully saved on the drive E you want to save. Now I want to change the alternate the Excel file. I can as easily change the Excel file by pressing Alt and Tab at once. Alt and Tab here, and then I can choose any pages here. Now I'm choose the 30 Excel formulas for PPIC here as I want to work out in here. Now I'm back to Excel formulas for PPIC. Now I'm going to adjust the cell width by pressing Alt H O N W. Here I want to adjust the file in here. For example, in Excel formulas in here in H. In H I want to change the column width by pressing Alt H O N W. Now I can change the sorry the X column width. I want to change into the, for example, I want to minimize the into 12 column width, and then just press OK. Now this column has been changed to 12. Now if I want to change several columns here with the same size, for example, for the column D, E, F until J here, I want to make it the same size. For example, 15. I can easily by pressing Shift and then Tab to here, Shift and then Tab once more, and then press Alt H O N W here. Now adjust the column width at once. For example, I want to change it into 15, and then just press OK. Everything in here it has the same with 15 from D until J. Now I want to type the title here. I want to insert the column here by pressing in here by pressing Ctrl and then plus, Ctrl Shift and plus. Now insert the entire row and then just press OK. Now I will insert the new row in the Excel. Now I want to give the title here, Excel formulas, and then open bracket, general formulas. Then enter. I want to make it center here from B until J here. Just press the Shift and Tab and the right tab here, the right arrow, Shift and right arrow here, and then press the Ctrl 1 to show the format cells, and then press tab and then tap again in here. If I choose the alignment, if okay, just press enter. once more, Ctrl 1, tab, and then select the center across selection here, and then just press enter, OK, and then OK once more. So this is on the center for the column until from B until J here. Now I want to find the text in the general information here, general function for Excel. I want to find the right function. I don't know where is the right function here, the right, and then I just easily find out the right function, the right word in the Excel sheet here by pressing Ctrl and then F, and then find right, and then just press OK. Find next. Here's the formula for the right formula. Drive change kit, and this is the formula right, and choose the column E29 and then 9 character. Now I want to close the file I need because I already complete this file. I can easily, before that I want to save the file by pressing Ctrl S, and then close the file by pressing the Alt and then F4. Now I want to close this file too because this is the end of my explanation today. If you want to find out more the Excel function about the shortcut function, you can find out my videos I want to put on the description. And then if you want to find out the Excel formulas, total explanation about the PPIC, Excel formula for PPIC, I'll already put the link on the description too. Thank you for watching. If you have any question regarding to Excel, Word or Google Sheet, please write down on the comment below. Inshallah, I will answer it on the next video. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.